Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the leg tourney on the Dominoes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the tourney section next to the home button at the bottom of the screen, and here you can check the all fives tourney, the draw and the block tourneys, and you can check that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.